When we have two ratios that are equal to each other, we call this a proportion. For example, if we need one pizza to feed 4 children, that means we're going to need 3 pizzas to feed 12 children. These are equivalent ratios, and we'll call this a proportion. So 1 pizza to 4 children is equal 3 pizzas to 12 children. And we call this a proportion. In this example, we have that a rental store charges $1.50 to rent a hedge trimmer for 30 minutes. And we're supposed to figure out what this rate is in cents per minute. Okay, so we're starting out with the ratio of $1.50, or $1.50, to 30 minutes. But what we'll immediately notice is that we don't want our ratio to be written in dollars, we want it to be written in cents. So I'm going to change that to cents. Well, we know that $1.50 is going to be 150 pennies, or 150 cents. And that's over 30 minutes. Now our units are what we want for the final answer, so let's simplify that fraction. Now 150 is divisible by 30, so we can just divide top and bottom by 30, so we'll get 1 on the bottom, and we'll get 5 on the top. And so we're going to have 5 over 1, or just 5 cents per minute. So now we've rewritten our ratio $1.50 over 30 minutes as 5 over 1, or just 5 cents per minute. So this forms a proportion. In this example, we're supposed to assume that a runner's speed is at a constant rate, and she ran 27 miles in 4 hours. How far will she run in 5 hours? So let's set this up as a proportion. This unknown distance that she's going to run in 5 hours, we'll think of as a ratio. Now the ratio that that's supposed to be equivalent to is that she'll go 27 miles in 4 hours. So to get this unknown distance, what we're going to have to do is multiply both sides of this equation by 5. So her distance is going to be 5 hours times 27 over 4 hours, or 27 miles over 4 hours. So what we're going to end up with is the number of miles that she travels in 5 hours. Now, we're supposed to write our answer as a decimal here, and so when I throw this in my calculator, I'm going to get 33.5 miles.